Yes, exactly.
And beautiful weather this morning, but you are also tracking a very dangerous storm, so you got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, absolutely. For us, things are going to be great. And even when it comes to Tropical Storm Melissa, the forecast models haven't really budged too much on our impacts, which are going to be none. You can see right there, we do have beautiful start to our day today. The sun's coming up there over Tampa. 68 feels like 68, and for Clearwater, 66 feels like 66. Now, again, you don't really get the feels like till you get close to 80 degrees, but still, we're not going to have much of that today, a little bit. But our dew points are going to be going up, dry conditions, and this is the next system I'm tracking. It's going to bring us a small chance of rain and a big cool down. So it's all part of the same system. The small chance of rain is coming in tomorrow into Monday. As you can see, going to be very spotty. Not everyone's going to see rain out of this. And then there's a cold front trailing back behind it. It's going to be for Thursday. Wednesday into Thursday, actually. You see your futurecast looking pretty good for today. Nothing much to worry about for your Saturday. And even for your Sunday, we're going to be nice for the bulk of the day. As you see, we go mid-afternoon, we'll start to see a few storms possibly pushing their way across as we go throughout about between 3 and 5 o'clock. Kind of spotty again. Not everyone's going to see those. And then on Monday, beautiful start to the day and dry for much of the day. Again, we'll see a stray storm as we go throughout your afternoon and evening, but not really that much. So there's the front stalled to the south. There is the system, and those two meet up as we go throughout Sunday into Monday. That is going to be your chance for rain. Now, the cold front is going to be pushing its way across, and there's Wednesday as we go late afternoon, evening into early Thursday, and then it's going to push its way out. Look how far that goes as we go throughout Friday into Saturday. That's nice because that's for us is going to be the hurricane blocker. Dew point forecast, look at that. And this is what I'm talking about. Look at Thursday into Friday and Halloween forecast. 74 is going to be your high for the day. We're going to start in the 50s, and by the time the sun goes down right around sundown, we're going to be in the 60s. So again, it's going to feel fantastic to be trick-or-treating. Tropical Storm Melissa, 70-mile-per-hour winds moving to the northwest at 3. It hasn't really picked up any speed at all since Tuesday into Wednesday, where it slowed all the way down to 2. Pressure is at 986, and you can see the hurricane warning for Jamaica, hurricane watch with tropical storm warning for Haiti. Now, watch this thing. Now, it has been battling some shear, and we'll still do that a little bit over the weekend, but the water temperature is warm enough that we're going to see this now start to rapidly intensify. So the shear is starting to let up just a little bit, and we'll see it rapidly intensify. Hurricane today, category 3 by this time tomorrow, and possibly a 4 by the time we go throughout early Monday. Monday, it makes that turn into early Tuesday morning. Some models have it a category 5 before it hits Jamaica. So again, dangerous situation for Jamaica. You see the entire island is well within that cone, and it could make a turn a little bit earlier, but it looks like Haiti is going to still be in it when it makes that turn, and you can see there crossing over Cuba as a major hurricane and then past Turks and Caicos in the Bahamas. And again, most of your models take it across Jamaica, all of them take it across Cuba, and you see the good news is, again, none of them come here. Today, 88. Sunny start, warm, breezy, a few clouds in the afternoon, but small craft advisory. The bay is going to be choppy, winds 15 to 25 knots, and even seas about 2 to 5 feet. That small craft advisory goes through tomorrow, still breezy. You see that chance of rain a little bit Sunday into Monday, and then there's the big cool down. A little breezy on Thursday with that cooler, drier air coming in, but Friday will start the day at 58 with a high of 74.